Hey, I'm David from DCR Auto Repair in Glasgow, New Hampshire. Um, Doing a special on timing belt kits on V6 engines on Hondas and Acura. Recommended 7 years or 105,000 miles, whichever comes first. Of course, you get 2 gallons of antifreeze. Get the timing belt here. Get a brand new water pump, time belt tensioner, the roller, time belt roller, brand new, and another roller too, comes in the kit. Running a special for the rest of the summer, 900 total. That's parts, labor, everything. If you're interested, my number is 603-820-7706. You can find my reviews on Google for DCR Auto Repair. And if you need this done, just give me a call. We'll set up an appointment and take care of you. Thank you.